Alright, in this video, we'll be solving problems on partial fraction decomposition. Partial fraction decomposition. Alright, partial fraction decomposition. Right, before we proceed in solving any problem on partial fraction decomposition, I want to let you know that partial fractions are grouped into three. Number one, partial fractions with linear factors. Number two, partial fractions with repeated factors. And number three, partial fractions with quadratic factors. So before you attempt any question, look at the question properly before you attempt. All right, let's look at this question. It says express 1 over x squared minus 4 in partial fraction. Now look at this very nice question. Express 1 divided by x squared minus 4 in partial fraction. Right, now before we proceed, let's look at this. X squared minus 4 is a quadratic equation. So how do we what do we do? So we have 1 over x squared minus 4 equals to 1 over x minus 2 x plus 2. Now look at this expression. X minus 2 times x plus 2. X minus 2 times x plus 2. Well, let's see if they're the same. All right, so let's look at it. You're going to have 1 over x times x will give you x squared minus x times 2 will give you plus 2x. Then minus 2 times x will give you minus 2x. Then minus 2 times 2 give you minus 4. So we have 2x minus 2x. 2x minus 2x will be what? 0. So which is 1 over x squared minus 4. Okay, this is the same as this. So that means that this expression is the same like x squared minus 4. All right, let's use it. Let's use it to solve our problems. We have 1 divided by x minus 2 times x plus 2. This is a typical example of partial fraction with linear factors. So how do we solve it? We use expression a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x plus 2. So look at this. We are going to find the LCM in the right hand side. So by doing that, we have 1 over x minus 2 times x plus 2, which is equals to a into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 times x plus 2. Right, now look at this. We've finished, we've succeeded in finding the LCM. So what do we do? Look at the numerator are not identical, but the denominator are identical. What you have here is what you have here. So the denominator are identical. So we express the numerator as a into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 2 all equals to what? 1. All right, some of you may say, how do we get this? How do we get this equation? Now look at this. From here, we have this equation. How do we get it? Look at this place. Let me explain it. So at this point, we are going to have this expression a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x plus 2. So the LCM is x minus 2 times x plus 2. So we multiply it through by the equation. After having, we have x minus 2, we have x plus 2. Then we multiply 2, we are going to have x minus 2 minus 2x plus 2 times a divided by x minus 2 plus x minus 2 x plus 2 times b divided by what? X plus 2. So x plus 2 cancel x plus 2, x minus 2 cancel x minus 2. We are left with what? A into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 2 divided by what? X minus 2 x plus 2. That's how we have this expression from here. All right, thank you very much. Now at this point, we have, let's call this equation what? Star. We've named that as equation star. So how do we find the value of a? Now we need to eliminate b to have the value of a. How do we eliminate b? By setting x equals to 2. Notice this, we say x equals to 2. What if x equals to 2? We are going to have what? A into 2 plus 2 plus b into 2 minus 2 equals to 1. So 2 plus 2 equals to what? 4a. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. So there's no point putting the 0 here. We have equals to 1. Divide 2 by 4. Divide 2 by 4. Therefore, we say that a equals to what? 1 over 4. We've gotten the value of a. Then the next thing you have to do is to find the value of b. From the equation star, we say from this equation star. From this equation star, we say let x equals to we say minus 2. When x is minus 2, you're going to eliminate a to find the value of b. So we are going to have a minus 2 plus 2 plus b minus 2 equals to 1. So at that point, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Then we have 0 times a will give you what? 0. Then we have minus 4b equals to what? 1. Divide by minus 4, divide to minus 4. So at that point, we say that therefore b equals to what? Minus 1 over 4. We've gotten the value of b to be minus 1 over 4. We say therefore a equals to 1 over 2 and 1 over 4 and b equals to minus 1 over 4. We've gotten two solutions. So how do? We look at this expression. You substitute it in the expression above. This was our expression. 1 over x minus 2 x times x plus 2 equals to a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x plus 2. So we have gotten the value of a and b. So we substitute it. We are going to have equals to what? For a, we have 1 over 4 divided by what? X minus 2 plus for b, we have minus 1 over 4 divided by what? X plus 2. So that's it. At that point, we are going to express it further. We say therefore, the expression 1 over x squared minus 4 equals to what? 1 over 4 x minus 2 minus 1 over 4 x plus 2, which is our required partial fraction. Right, thank you very much. In the next video, we're going to look at partial fraction. Another problem that the numerator will have an higher degree, then we will use long division. Thank you very much. Subscribe to this video to get more of my videos on partial fraction. Thank you very much.